Hello everyone. So while I go AFK, I'm just going to explain to you guys more stuff about what content I will be bringing. Because also guys, here's a little hack for you. A royal high hack. If you don't want to spend hours collecting candy, well, you've got the tricks. You have got the hack right here. So put on the woman body. It's okay if it doesn't completely show that you're wearing the woman body. But so you put on the woman body. First of all. Now what you're gonna do is make sure that you're not wearing, literally you can't wear any shoes at all. Especially not the Dear Dolly or Shadow Empress boots. Now, guess what? When you go here, okay, you can leave it, but you need to put on the clown dance. And look at this. No, that is not the song. Okay, it's not.
became retarded.
Oh, yes, that is correct. Okay, sorry about that, guys. But so as you can see, I can literally just... Oh no, poor Stormy. P.S. I'm AFK. Please don't move me. You know what? I feel so bad because someone probably moved her because she's now not AFK getting her candy. That's so sad. Okay, let me fix this. How do I fix that? I don't know how to help her. I wish I could, like, push her back so she can, like, do her AFK candy hunting. But, sadly, you can't move other players. Oh, good. So, she's walking farther away. No, she's gonna think that I pushed her. Oh, no. She's gonna think that I pushed her, and I feel so bad about that. What? Oh my god, I can buy the bag. Oh. Okay. Thank goodness. I feel so bad that girl was pushed off when being AFK. She just... Okay. I'm sorry, guys.
Hug sleep.
So, anyways, guys, yeah, look how many people say AFK, don't touch a me. Everybody is AFK doing this to get all that expensive arse candy. Because candy is not easy to get. So, you can basically just then go to dress up. You can put AFK so people know that you're AFK. People know that you're on a candy grind. So that way now, people will not push you off. Cause like, we gotta get the candies. So, while we wait for me to get to 10,000 candies, because see, my plan is, see my amount of diamonds here? I want that amount in candies, because I need these things, and I need them now. So, I'm halfway there. I can actually do this in about an hour time. So I can just, leave my setup here. I can come in, check on it here and there. Or I can just sit at my computer, keep my eye on it, watching YouTube videos on my phone and, like, editing for videos, making videos and stuff, like my Beanie Boo skits and things. And I can literally just come in and check on this grind every, 19 minutes. So that's something very helpful that I wanted to explain to you guys. Because we all know we literally have, how many days left? Like 1 or 2 days of October left. So like you gotta get the things. And that's what I'm doing today. I'm trying to get all the stuff I need so I can buy all the things I need to buy. So yeah, that's my plan. I'm gonna try to get as many things I can before
Mom, what do you think of
October ends. But anyway, so yeah, literally like AFK, there's AFK, don't push me. You know, like people just say that they're AFK trying to farm for candy, and you know, we're getting more candy by the second, because we all know as well as that, if you guys don't know about this, when you win, you get the 10 candies. And for some reason, something I find with this hack is that you actually tend to win more of the apple bobbing contests for doing the dance. That's the thing, is I feel like you win more. I really don't know why. But anyway, I think, you know what? That will be all, because I have nothing else to really explain to you guys. But anyway, I will make another video later. Goodbye.